Okay, hi. My name is Krzysztof. In the internet, I'm usually known as Nalepa, and I work as a software engineer at Software Mansion. And today I wanted to give you a quick overview of the tool we've been working on for a few months now, which is LiveDebugger. And what is LiveDebugger? The answer is quite simple. It is a tool for debugging LiveView applications. So it helps you to understand what is happening in your apps by quickly answering hard yet common questions without browsing hundreds of logs, such as what is the state of my LiveView or live component, how this state is changing, or which callbacks are changing this state. And answering those questions is sometimes crucial for solving more complex issues, and LiveDebugger gives you the answers on a silver platter. So let's test it on the real example. So here you have quite standard to-do application that was written by Chris McCord for ElixirConf 2 years ago. And it's pretty standard. You can create a new task, mark it as done, and delete it. You know the drill. It's pretty straightforward. But with a little twist. So here below you have a list of activity logs, and it's lists of actions I've just done. Yeah, so let's break this feature right now by changing the branch to the bugged one. So right now, after I reload the application and change the status of this task, the new activity log does not appear. And our task as a fresh intern in this promising startup is to fix this bug. So let's open LiveDebugger and try to understand what is happening here. Yes, so let's start with checking the component structure of our application. So we can open the components tree, turn on the highlighting mode, and see what is happening here. So here we have home live, which is a root live view of this web application, and it has four children. 3 of them are responsible for rendering each list, but the 4th one is actually responsible for rendering activity logs. So let's check it out. And here we can inspect its assigns. So let's do this. We have some standard stuff here, like ID, some pagination stuff, a log, which looks kind of suspicious because there's only one of them here. And after I change something, it is changing as well. So yeah, it looks a bit weird. Maybe let's check what is happening in callback traces. So let's see what callbacks are executed when I change something. So after I change the status of this task, I see that 2 callbacks were executed. First of them is render, and this is not very important for us, so I will just filter it out. And the second one is update, which is more interesting because, as you can see, it contains a log that was sent from the parent LiveView to this live component. So as we can see, live component receives an information about new log from parent. So yeah, it's fine, it's good. But the question is how this log is actually handled. So let's check this in our code. So up here we have a module where this live component is declared. So let's go to our editor and let's try to find it to check the implementation of update function. And yeah, it's here. And we have an obvious typo here. So let's try to fix it and save our file. And let's try testing this thing out if it helped. So I changed the status, and yeah, the new activity log appeared. So this is yeah, so we managed to fix the bug, and that's basically it from my side. We are still developing LiveDebugger, and we would really appreciate your feedback. Yeah, these are GitHub, and make sure to check it out. If you had any questions, you can catch me here or ask it on our discussions tab on GitHub. Yeah, thanks.